Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's get global search up and running in your next.js app quickly and efficiently. We'll focus on simplicity, clarity, and a functional example you can adapt. This guide will be packed to give you a comprehensive overview. The goal asterisk. We'll create a search bar in your navigation that allows users to search across different data types, example blog posts, products, users. The results will appear on a dedicated search results page. The core concepts asterisk. 1. Search input component asterisk. A React component for the search bar, handling user input and triggering navigation. 2. Navigation with query parameters asterisk. Using next.js's userouter hook to navigate to a search results page and pass the search query as a query parameter. 3. Search results page asterisk. A dedicated page, /search or similar, that receives the query parameter, performs the search across your data sources, and displays the results. 4. Data fetching and filtering asterisk. Fetching data from your APIs/databases and filtering it based on the search query. 5. Debouncing, optional but recommended. Optimizing search by delaying the search execution until the user stops typing for a short period. This reduces the number of API calls. 6. Client-side versus server-side search asterisk. Consider whether you want to perform the search entirely client-side, useful for smaller data sets, or leverage server-side filtering, better for larger data sets or when security is a concern. Step-by-step implementation, within the 10-minute constraint. 1. Project setup, assumed. You have a next.js project up and running. If not, create one. 2. Create the search input component asterisk asterisk. Create a file component /search input.js. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk userouter, used to navigate to the search page. Asterisk uses state, manages the search term entered by the user. Asterisk handle change, updates the state when the input field changes. Asterisk debounced search term and set debounced search term, state to store the debounced search term. Asterisk use effect, with debounce timeout implements the debouncing logic. It delays the navigation until the user pauses typing. Asterisk router.push, programmatically navigates to /search with the query parameter. 3. Integrate the search input into your layout, example navigation. Open components /layout.js, or your equivalent layout component. If you don't have one, create it. Import and use the search input component within your layout. Modify the navigation according to your design. 4. Create the search results page asterisk asterisk. Create a file pages /search.js. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk userouter, accesses the query parameters from the URL. Asterisk router.query.q, extracts the search query passed as q. Asterisk use effect, triggers the search whenever the search query changes. Asterisk fetch data, a placeholder for your actual data fetching and filtering logic. Replace the dummy data and filtering with your real data sources, API calls, database queries, etc. The example filters an array of objects based on the title property. Asterisk conditional rendering, displays loading. While fetching data and shows results or no results found accordingly. 5. Update _app.js or _document.js, if needed. If you're using a custom _app.js or _document.js, ensure that they're correctly configured to include your layout component. If you're using the default next.js setup, you can skip this step. Otherwise, important considerations and optimizations, beyond 10 minutes, but crucial. Asterisk data sources asterisk the fetch data function in pages/search.js is a placeholder. Replace it with your actual API calls, database queries, or data fetching logic. Asterisk indexing asterisk for large data sets, consider using a search index, example Algolia, Elasticsearch, TypeSense, for much faster and more relevant search results. These services are designed for full text search and offer advanced features like typo tolerance and ranking. Asterisk API routes asterisk if your data is sensitive or requires server-side processing, create next.js API routes, pages/API, to handle the search logic and data fetching securely. The client-side fetch data function would then call your API route. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement robust error handling in your fetch data function and API routes. Asterisk performance asterisk for large data sets, paginate the search results. Use techniques like use memo and use callback to optimize rendering. Asterisk accessibility asterisk add ARIA attributes to your search input and results for improved accessibility. Asterisk styling asterisk style your search input and results page to match your application's design. Asterisk type safety, TypeScript strongly consider using TypeScript for better code maintainability and to catch errors early. Asterisk server-side rendering, SSR, or static site generation, SSG if search engine optimization, SEO, is important, explore server-side rendering, SSR, or static site generation, SSG, for the search results page. However, this adds complexity. Example API route, if you choose to move search logic to the server. Create pages/API/search.js. Then, update the fetch data function in pages/search.js to call this API route. Recap and key takeaways asterisk. 1. Search input asterisk creates a user-friendly search bar. 2. Navigation asterisk navigates to the search results page with the query. 3. Search results page asterisk fetches data, filters it based on the query, and displays the results. 4. Debouncing asterisk prevents excessive API calls. 5. Replace placeholders asterisk the most crucial step is to replace the dummy data and filtering in pages/search.js with your actual data sources and filtering logic. 6. Consider scalability asterisk for large applications, investigate search indexes. This detailed guide provides a solid foundation for implementing global search in your next.js application. Remember to adapt the code to your specific data sources and requirements. Good luck.